What's going on, everybody? TG here, back with another video, and I got a different type of video for you guys today. It's about growing a small account. A lot of you guys have been asking me, hey TG, like I have a small account and I have a lot of money. What is the best way for me to grow my account? So I thought I'd start up a small account and show you guys. This is actually my friend's account, and he actually blew up this account pretty badly, playing calls on Hillion and different stuff like that. So he gave me the account around $1,400. And so I managed to bring it up from $1,400 to about $2,300 so far. And I wanted to kind of go over how I do that and how I manage a small account. And it's pretty simple. I do a mixture of two things. I do iron condors and credit spreads. Also, we have a Discord and link in the description below if you guys want to join. I call out plays like this all the time for free, so you guys can get the same type of plays that I am doing. So join it. It's in the description, and can't wait to talk to you guys in there. But about the iron condors positions, I like to do it on SPY. So this is a simple one. I just opened this up a couple minutes ago. Essentially, it's amazing because you don't have to use a lot of collateral at all. You use $100 of collateral minus whatever you got. So I got $26. So I'm literally using $73 in collateral to make $26. So it's pretty good. And also, SPY is a pretty deep range. It can go within 5 points, which is, obviously it's a lot for the SPY to move 5 whole points. So 397 and a half, 387 and a half, as long as it stays between those, we keep all $26 in credit. If it goes above, we lose $100 minus the credit we got, so we lose about $74. So this is a great strategy to use for smaller accounts, and it's very simple to set up. So I want to show you guys how to do that. First off, you go to the options chain. You pick whatever expiration you want. SPY is cool because it can literally expire tomorrow, because today's the 23rd. It can expire tomorrow. I'm doing this one for the 26th, gives me a little bit more time, a little bit more premium. So essentially, here's what I would do. I would start off with my call. I would sell the call. So I would sell this call right here, the 30.97.5, and I would buy the one above it. So right there, if I just sold it as a credit spread, I'd get $7 in credit. But this is a condor, so I think it's going to stay within a certain range. So I think it's going to stay between, 387.5 and 397.5. So then I would just click this. I'd sell this put because it's closest to the strike price, and then I would buy the one next to it. And as you guys can clearly see here, it sets up the credit spread. You click here, continue, how much you want to put in. So you can do one contract would be, you get $15, you risk 100. It's going to not say I have enough buying power because I don't have enough. You'll know you did it right because it says Iron Condor up there for you Robinhood people. So make it very, very simple, which is awesome, very easy to do. But obviously I don't have enough buying power, so it's not going to work for me. But that is one strategy. Another strategy is credit spreads. You guys know I love credit spreads, but I like to go long-term out because if you go short-term, you can get burned really badly, as you guys know I did a couple weeks ago. So what I did yesterday when Baba was down, I went ahead and sold an Alibaba put credit spread for June 18th at a 220 strike price. It's currently sitting at about 240 right now. We're already up $46, and that's 15%. We put up $1,000 in collateral and collected about 300. So about a 30% return on investment right there. And as long as Alibaba stays above 220 by that date, we will collect all 298. Usually I close these things out about 75% gain. Which will happen if Baba continues to stay either flat or continues to go up, which is awesome. It can go down and we'll still be fine. So that's one of them. We opened up one today on Apple. 120, 115. We did one of them. We got $208 in credit. So as long as Apple stays above 120 by July 16th, we collect $208. So again, really good percent return on investment. That's like a 40% return on investment right there. So we're doing strategies like this, high percent returns, but also pretty safe as well. Apple would still have to drop 3 points by, July 17th for us to be in trouble. So as long as it stays above that 120 mark, we make full profit. And our break-even price is 117.92, which I don't see it going anywhere near that. So again, just another credit spread strategy to make some good profit. And then we also did this one right here, which is an Amazon credit spread, saying that by August 20th, it will be above 30.20. We are already up $183 on this one right here. Amazon took a hit. We sold the credit spread. We can make $985 if Amazon stays above this strike price, which I do believe it will. Obviously, we had to put up $2,000 in credit, but we got almost $1,000. So that's about another 48.5% return on investment right there. So great percent return on investments, and that's how we're getting these good returns. So this is my strategy for building the account back up. Like I said, if all goes according to plan, that's going to be another little over $1,000. Bring this account to about 3,500 by end midsummer, which will be awesome. That's awesome to do. And like I said, if we get up big on some of these, we'll obviously close them out. I'm going to see actually maybe setting aside a little bit of money for calls, like day trading, to show you guys if sometimes very, very rarely I will day trade, but in a couple senses I can do that and show you guys. But my long-term portfolio, this is what it's looking like. We got a lot of Apples, a lot of Amazons, Babas, CLIIs, CVM. We have 5 of these contracts now. We bought 5 calls for CVM for July 16th, 30 strike price call. So we put about $2,000 into that right now. Facebook's we got, obviously, and Nvidia's we got. We also sold a PLTR put today as well. You guys know we love Palantir Technologies. We think it's an amazing, amazing company. So we went ahead and sold a put on PLTR today. And we got about $395 for that one. So again, just finding ways to make money as we can. So, that's really about it for right now. We're doing what we can to make money, and the account's grown. Obviously, we're back up to 93K, which is obviously pretty awesome. But mainly, I'm going to be focusing on this account, trying to get this thing up as high as we can, but playing it safe as well, because we don't want to blow up, because this is the stuff that happens when you play it too risky. You can blow up really quickly, and that's what happens. So, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this series. I hope you guys like this. If you do, obviously make sure you like and subscribe. It means a ton to me. But watch the market closely, because we have a bunch of different things that can affect the market. We have Jerome Powell, who's been speaking a lot about the economy. We have the interest rates that have been really going up recently, and we've seen this over and over and over again. When interest rates go up, tech stocks usually get sold off. So just be warned about that. There's a lot of fluctuations between, the NASDAQ, which has been super choppy all day, was up pretty big, went down, went back up. Everything's hanging on every word that Jay Powell says, everything that happens with the interest rates. And it's a battle between interest rates, growth stocks, and value stocks. When I talk about value stocks, I talk about the financials, financials like JP Morgan Chase, that again, have been rising a lot this past month because of these interest rates. As you can clearly see, it's up 23%. Wells Fargo as well is another bank stock that you guys can watch out for. Things almost back up to $40 a share now. So that thing's obviously been soaring up 31% these past couple months. So when you see the interest rates go up, you're going to see these financials go up, commodities like oil as well. And then when interest rates go down, you're going to see the tech stocks really rally. Tech stocks like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, stuff like that. I'm hoping that Amazon can, finish above 2% gain today. That'd be awesome. We actually did close out a couple of our spreads today for a little bit of a loss for the 3210 strike price for next week. I just didn't want to take a risk of it. I didn't want to take a risk of losing an extra $1,500. I'm trying to keep the account where it is. And like I said, I use that money to then sell a PLTR put. I don't know why it's not showing up on this one. I might have to go to my Power E-Trade to see it. But, it's another one of those things where, E-Trade does have some good platforms that you can see all this stuff. And I really, really like it because it makes it super, super simple for me. But yeah, there we go right here. This PLTR put, we analyzed that right there. We got paid pretty darn well. It's pretty simple. We're just simply selling a put. Our break-even price is $19.51 by next year. I think that's very safe. Our max loss obviously $19.50 if Palantir goes to zero. And our max profit is, I don't know why it says $49. That's obviously not true. $493, I believe it was, or $395, I mean. So, again, just one of those things, and, making money where we can. So it's going to be interesting to see where the account finishes off in the summer. But right now, things are looking pretty good. And, we're going to keep this up because I want to see this account continue to go up and up and up. So we're going to be managing this account. We're going to be managing our Robinhood account and seeing where we really end up. We also have a Webull account, but that just has CVM equity in it, about like 49 shares of CVM. So we're basically betting it all on the data that when it gets released, it flies and we make like a couple $1,000s. So that's really about it, guys. It's a pretty bland day in the market. Nothing's really moving that much. Dow's down a little bit, Nasdaq's up a little bit, S&P's basically completely flat. So nothing else really going on too much. Nasdaq's actually down now, so we're just seeing, look at these wild swings, just quick periods of time every time Jay Powell's speaking. So watch it closely, use the implied volatility to your advantage, and let me know what plays you guys are in, because I'm curious. You guys know my positions right now for this account: Amazon, Apple, BABA, SPY. And then on my E-Trade account, Amazon, Apple, BABA, Facebook, CLII, CVM, and Palantir. So let me know what you guys are in. Let me know your guys' positions. But, hope all is well and all is going good. And, just let me know, guys. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Like I said, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And I will see you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.